In this video, we'll be covering how to add nutrition facts to your meals. So first, I'm going to come to my settings page and then the menu tab, and I'm going to make sure that show nutrition facts is enabled, and also I'm going to enable show ingredients. And this will make sure that our customers can see this on the front end menu. And just to show you an example, when a customer clicks on a meal, they'll then also be able to view the nutrition table, and of course you could also print these out onto your item labels. So we'll now go about covering how we would actually set this up. So we'll start by going to the menu page, and I'll pull up a random meal here, and we're going to come to the ingredients tab. Now I'm going to clear this out just for the sake that we could do this together. And you see we use the NutritionX API. So NutritionX is a huge food database with all sorts of brand names and virtually any ingredient that you're going to be looking for. So we set this up in a pretty cool way where you could just type in the ingredients you want in plain English, and it'll create this nutrition chart for us. So for example, let's say 8 ounces of grilled chicken. I'll do 4 ounces red bell pepper. Let's say 3 ounces of yellow onion, and let's say 4 ounces brown rice. When I click add, you'll see it's automatically jumping into the database, pulling up all these ingredients for us, and building this nutrition facts table. You can go ahead and edit these numbers in real time to see how it affects your nutrition. And if there was, for some reason, some ingredient that you typed in that wasn't showing up perfectly, or it just seemed like it wasn't the exact ingredient that you were using, you could come here to search ingredients. And from here, you could search the NutritionX database directly. So I'll just type in something generic like pasta, and you see we have a lot of different types of pasta and different brand names that will appear. So you'll always be able to find the exact ingredient that you're looking for. Now, if you wanted to go one step further, maybe you had some in-house ingredients like your own special sauce. You could do that by coming to Add Custom Ingredient, and you could enter the ingredient name, the weight, and the type of measurement, and you could go ahead and add the calories and total fat and total carbs of that custom ingredient. So this is a way to bypass NutritionX and enter this yourself. Now, once you've added this ingredient, so let's say this is your special sauce, if you wanted to use this on another meal, you absolutely can. You would just come to add existing ingredients here, and you would be able to pull up any custom ingredients that you've used in the past for that new meal. Now, if you wanted to entirely bypass using ingredients altogether, you totally can. You could just remove whatever's there, come to enter nutrition directly, and I can enter something like 100 calories, 100 carbs, and just for this I'll do 10 grams of fat. And when I click add, you see it's automatically filling out this chart for us. So if you didn't want to go ingredient by ingredient and you already had this information, you can go ahead and enter that directly. So I'll go ahead and I'll clear that out, and I'll cover the last section, which is right here at the top, which is our serving sizes. So let's say that what we're selling here is a 6-pack of muffins. What we could do is we could say that there's 6 servings per container. The unit is a muffin, and serving size quantity is 1. When I click save, you see this now changes our nutrition facts table to let the customer know there are 6 servings per container, and the serving size for each of those muffins is going to be displayed below. So you do have the option to offer more bulk products while showing the nutrition values of an individual serving. In the next video, we'll be covering how to add macros and how macros and ingredients can actually communicate with each other to make your life a little bit easier.